Hello students, welcome to our channel Lakshmi Kavya Law Tutorials. The displaying question is about the concept of administrative law. This topic covers the meaning, definitions, nature and scope of administrative law. If you want the full lecture relating to this topic, please go to the description and tap on the link and watch that video. Thank you one and all. This is Lakshmi Kavya Kokaraju. Stay tuned.